I want to give you guys a master class on what it's like to day trade these markets using volume. Because in this short video, I'm going to teach you a trading strategy that is so powerful and so effective that you can use this on any symbol, any market, and on any instrument of choice. So let's get into it, folks. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. It is good to be with you. Do me a personal favor. If you like the content on this channel, please like this video and subscribe to the channel so that you can get your hands on more useful content. Now, this is going to be a short video. Matter of fact, I'm going to call this part 1 of 2 because this video is being recorded on Sunday night when the futures markets just opened a few moments ago. Matter of fact, I want to draw your attention to 3 data points in this chart. All right, take a look at the x-axis right here. You can see that it is in fact Sunday night, July 28th. Okay, and then of course at the very top here, I want you to take a look at the indicator overlay that so many of my customers and clients are using to nail these trades. Okay, the system and method that we have developed here at DynoTrading is 100% based on volume. And the reason that I wanted to record this video on Sunday night is to prove to you beyond any shadow of a doubt that volume works, okay, pretty much across the board. All right, so what you're seeing on the screen right now is the live price action chart of the NASDAQ from right now, okay, Sunday night. Now, many of you guys might actually watch this video on Monday, but I am recording this live as of Sunday night. And of course, take a look at the volume indicator, right? This thing is clearly and obviously green. Matter of fact, we opened green right here. We got a couple of nice retracements there, but that came too early for me. What I like to do is I like to see the market rip hard, all right, up. And I teach all my customers and clients this. We want to see the trend get established. And then and only then do we want to see that nice, gorgeous, beautiful retracement. I mean, if I've said this once, I've said it 1,000 times, guys. Retracement setups are probably the highest probability signals you're ever going to see in your life. Next thing you're probably wondering is, what does a trading entry look like? Okay, well, let me get you dialed into that retracement setup, as you can see right here. Okay, and guys, this is not brain surgery. Okay, this is not rocket science. All right, we have intentionally programmed this trading system to be what I call stupid simple, because the indicator does all of the heavy lifting for you, right? It'll draw the arrow for you. It'll give you an audio alert on the retracement setup. So it's very what I like to call plug and play. Anyway, this white line that you see here represents the area on where to enter the trade. And this red line that you see here represents, yep, you guessed it, the stop loss location. That is literally the only 2 elements needed to participate in a high probability trade. All right, you got to know where to enter a high probability setup, and you also got to know where to place the stop loss location. And both of these are logical, and both of these make sense. So let me bring this home for you guys. All right, so if this is the entry long on this master indicator, all right, then if we spin this forward, man, look at how this trade played out. I mean, Jesus Christ, this was over 400 ticks in the overnight session. So there you have it, guys and gals. The proof is in the pudding. Here is more evidence that if you know how to properly trade volume, and that's what this indicator color band is, all right, it represents volume, then I personally feel, and this is my humble opinion, that the sky is the limit. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.